judiciary. Gone were those days when judiciary was regarded as the last hope of common man. I take objection to it. It is the big people now who patronize the judiciary, not even the common man. And if you have any doubt, when election is approaching, come and see the way, with all respect, some people behave like rain-beaten chicken. Forgive me, I don't mean to be rude. So the judiciary is no longer the last hope of common man alone. It is also, or majorly now, the last hope of the big shots. The establishment, I know.
Alright guys, you're welcome back to this channel. I believe you had that particular statement. That was the Attorney General of Nigeria, Lateef Fagbemi. He has actually come out to talk about the pathetic situation that we are facing in this particular country, Nigeria, in the area of the judiciary. In that particular video, he has exposed how some politicians, run to the judiciary in order to buy justice from them. I'm telling you the truth. We all actually saw what happened in the 2023 general elections here in Nigeria and the role the judiciary actually played. That is to show you how the system is corrupt, the extent of corruption that has eaten deep into the Nigerian system. Even the so-called judiciary that we feel that they should be upright, the last hope of the common man, they are no longer the last hope of the common man. In fact, they are being bought by the wealthy and the elites and the politicians here in Nigeria. Now, if you are a common man, you are not an elite who does not actually have money, and you get into problem in this particular country, then you are finished. You're on your own. That is what that man, the Attorney General of Nigeria, is trying to say, that most of these judges are being bought over by top politicians. I'm going to play the full video for you to listen to him. But before that, let's listen to Very Dark Man. He actually has some important information to pass across, especially concerning this same judiciary and the judges in Nigeria. When we come back, we'll just analyze the video.
All right. So this thing I'm about to say now, I saved it for Saturday because I know the people I want to address, they don't go to work on Saturdays, you understand? So they go to their house now, doing social media, maybe relaxing. So I did sure say they'll see this video. The judges in this country, a lot of these judges, High Court judge, Supreme Court judge and the rest, a lot of una, now God now ain't go help una, because plenty of una no get human feelings, you understand? Do you know that a lot of people have been in prison for 4 years, 2 years, 3 years because a judge no agree sign? When it reach time for judge to sign, they'll say judge head the penal. They'll say judge back the penal. They'll say judge go one party. They'll say judge go relax. I'm telling you, because of ordinary signature, people don't do that kiri, don't do prison for 2 years. Some of them, I say go prison and you can understand where they come from. And you people will not relate because I never ever get anybody in this position. But if you ask people whether they don't get brothers or sisters, whether they go court every time because they won't make judge sign, you can understand what I try to talk. Do you understand? Some people, if you go to the prisons now, let's say there are 200 people, about 169 will be on trial. Do you understand? They'll be on trial. Some of them for petty crimes. When it all reach time for them to go court, if they reach court, they'll say judge no day. They'll say, say the judge called in late that she's sick. Madam, they are paying you well. Oh God, they are paying you well. They are paying you well. People's lives are going. People's life they waste. People like they waste. For crime where we say they're supposed to have 1 month, pay fine of 2K, 3K, 5K, 10K, 15K, 20K, 50K. When I go live and the thing go reach like 4 years. But I don't care because our son and our daughters know they are prison. When I don't care because our family members know they there. Like I said, you people that I'm talking to will not relate. Like the audience will not relate, but you the judges, you know what I'm saying. And you know I'm not lying. And if the case won't come bad, maybe you fight one person who get influence. Do you understand? They could just deliberately they do the judge. You get they tell the runner, judge no go they show up. Judge no go they show up. I know what I'm telling you. People don't understand. People's lives are going. People's lives are going. The judiciary system in this country is scattered, but I don't know. The judiciary system in this country is scattered. When I go to blame, go to say, police do this one, police. When I never reach courts. When I never reach courts. Go see the judicial system of this country. You go fear this country. You go no say this country no get where they go. Innocent people, they prison. Even the ones who commit crime, petty crime, they there. Why? Judge know they are available. They keep adjourning the cases, adjourning. 1 year, adjourn. 2 years, adjourn. 3 years, adjourn. 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. What's the person thief? They sell stolen property, give the person 90 farm. Okay, yes, you don't do your finding. No be into am. Okay, then sign. Judge no day. Judge no day. She go her pikin the wedding. Judge no day. Him go in friend colleague birthday. But you people will not relate until they happen. But Nigerian judges, nobody don't address them, nobody don't talk on our part. But because of my experience, I know what I'm saying. Do you understand? Because of the people I saw in prison, I know what I'm saying. I beg. People's lives are wasting. Help them. I beg. People's lives are wasting. Help them, please.
Now, I believe you listened to Very Dark Man as he actually talked about the corrupt system, the corrupt judiciary system that we have in this particular country, Nigeria. In fact, corruption has eaten deep into every nook and cranny. The judiciary is now so corrupt that if you're not a man or a woman of influence, then you have no business with them. And that is how they contributed to the situation that we are passing through in this particular country at this moment, by selling that particular judgment to Ahmed Bola Tinubu when it was obvious that Ahmed Bola Tinubu lost that 2023 general election. And that's why Ahmed Bola Tinubu and Nyesom Wike are doing everything possible to please the judiciary. We actually I made a video on that some time ago. They increased their salary to 300%, by 300%. And now they are building houses in Abuja, what they call retirement home for these judges in Abuja. And that tells you that in Nigeria you can actually buy judgment from this judiciary. Now let's listen to the Attorney General of Nigeria, Lateef Fagbemi, as he talks about some politicians who comes to them during election to buy judgment and all of that. And when we are done, we just wrap up the video.
I extend my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to the indefatigable Mr. Fix-It, Mr. Project, the Honorable Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Chief Nyesom Wike, CON Life Venture, for his exceptional leadership and steadfast support for the judiciary. Your dedication to this project and your overall contributions to the legal community have been instrumental in making this day possible. It is one thing to dream. It is another thing to realize your dream. If you did not initiate it, there is nothing the Federal Executive Council can do. You have the option to venture into other areas, and I know you are doing it, but it is the turn of the judiciary. Gone were those days when judiciary was regarded as the last hope of common man. I take objection to it. It is the big people now who patronize the judiciary, not even the common man. And if you have any doubt, when election is approaching, come and see the way, with all respect, some people behave like rain-beaten chicken. Forgive me, I don't mean to be rude. So the judiciary is no longer the last hope of common man alone. It is also, or majorly now, the last hope of the big shots. The establishment, I know that Chief Nyesom Wike will not embark on a project he has no intention of completing. That is one. It's not just a show of, I have turned the sword. I assure you, if you come here in another 1.5 to 2 years without compromising quality, you will have very, very good news to relay. Somebody mentioned that, the first person who came here said a doctor is something that is an engineer. Barrister Yosom Wike is a lawyer. From the number of projects that he has executed, I wonder if Koren will not consider whether this is not the appropriate time to pick him in.